Aspen is an easy-to-use, high-performance air purification system that can be placed anywhere. It uses an effective and safe 3-stage air filtration system to produce the healthiest air possible. The MERV 14 rated allergy filter removes dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, dust mite droppings, sneeze droplets, and other coarse pollutants. The custom activated carbon filter with 3.3 pounds of carbon removes odors, formaldehyde, tobacco smoke chemicals, and VOCs from sources like paint and cleaning products. The Microparticle HEPA filter removes more than 99.99% of particles down to 1 micron and more than 99.97% of particles down to 0.1 microns, including smoke, bacteria, viruses, smog, and ultrafine dust. It even removes particles down to 0.002 microns with 99.98% efficiency. That's 10,000 times smaller than a human hair. All 3 filters are designed to last a full year, and they're quick and easy to change. With EC fan technology, Aspen uses up to 85% less energy than traditional AC fans and is quieter, stays cooler, and lasts longer. Aspen is easy to set up and intuitive to use. Just plug it in and turn it on. At only 38 pounds, this standalone unit is portable enough to carry in a car. Aspen can even work with your HVAC system, cleaning the air in your entire house. It cleans the air in the room it's in, and then that clean air is distributed throughout the house via the duct system. The Aspen high-performance air purification system removes virtually all indoor air pollutants quietly and efficiently and helps you breathe better, reduce symptoms of asthma and allergies, reduce your chance of getting sick, and live a longer life.